Right, okay, I promise that this is my last song today. But I thought I wanted to get these over with. They're good songs, don't get me wrong. But I've got time to spare, so why not do them? So, I've done The Light Behind Your Eyes for Megan Keeling. Hope you enjoyed that one. I've done Wonderwall by Oasis for Charlie Cooper. Hope you enjoyed that one. So now it's going to be my first acoustic one with nothing because I can't find a karaoke version, and I had quite a lot of feedback about you couldn't actually hear me when I did Rockstar, and because there wasn't a karaoke. So I've decided to do this with no backing, nothing at all. This is for my mum, Helen Barraclough. It's not a very well-known band called Ferocious Dog. They're a punk rock band. They have a fiddler. And, well, not only to my mum, but I want to dedicate this song to Ken Banswell and his son Lee, who unfortunately passed away a couple of years ago, under very bad circumstances. But anyway, this is dedicated to my mum, Ken and Lee. There's not a man can help me, they only make it worse. Try and tried for years on end to try to break this curse. This curse was cast upon me by a madman's dying breath. Feel his hands around my throat as he drags me to my death. And the devil sends the hellhounds for me, boys. The devil sends the hellhounds for me. Hellhounds come calling, they're howling at my door. I wish they'd come and claim me, I can't take this anymore. Tonight I lay with a buxom whore and brothel drenched in beer. Only the dead won't understand, don't really know my fear. They chase me through the dark streets, they're screaming out my name. The more I try to run away, the more it seems in vain. They chase me to the dark woods, down by the riverside. I wish they'd come and claim me, 'cause forever I can't hide. And the devil sends the hellhounds for me, boys. The devil sends the hellhounds for me. The hellhounds come calling when I'm lying in my bed. I try to cover up my ears with the howlings in my head. The devil's in the corner, he's laughing in my face. They drag me screaming through the net to my final resting place. They smash my head wide open, they torture him and me. They put a rope around my neck and hang me from a tree. They flog me with the nine-tails, they'll have me out to dry. Still crows and feed upon my bones to make sure that I die. And the devil sends the hounds for me, boys. The devil sends the hounds for me. Well, they're coming to take me down. Take me down. Take me down. Well, they're coming to take me down. Take me down. Take me down. Okay. Final song for today. I've now run out of requests, unfortunately. But I hope I did you proud, Ken, and I hope that you think I paid Lee some credit. Okay, so thank you, and I'll see you another day. Bye.